Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I wanted to share this new item that I just purchased. I actually just got this today. I ordered it yesterday off of Amazon. I'll have it linked down in the description. There's a few varieties of these. I believe this one was about $20-ish with tax. But I think I saw some a little bit cheaper. But I wanted to get one of these because I plan on taking all this change to the bank. My bank accepts rolled coins. So I have these coin wrappers that I got from Dollar Tree. And I believe, I didn't ask the bank, but I believe some banks give you the coin wrappers for free. I don't think they're these exact ones because I really like these because they already have like the bottom secure. So I feel like it's gonna be a little bit easier, but yeah, these were at the Dollar Tree, so $1.25. So that was pretty good. But I wanted to get something to help me not only like count the money and organize it, but also like get the correct amount. So I can make sure I'm putting the correct amount in each of these, because this one, for instance, this is for quarters. So up to this line here on 25 cents, this will be $10 worth, and then 20. On the dimes, it'll be up to here, $5 and then $10. And then for the nickels, $2 and then $4. And then for the cent, for the penny, this whole thing will be $1. So yeah, because pennies are, I think, 50 cents. Okay, so half of this will be in one of these little containers. So I'm not going to do this all on video, but I just wanted to do it a little bit on camera so that way you can see how this works. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but you know, everybody likes to see the process. Okay, so this is really overflowing because I added some extra coins in here. But I want to say the majority of this money is from when I spend my cash from my cash envelopes. I usually, like if I have change, I'll put it in my the coin change part of my wallet. And I don't normally use change when I'm paying, unless it's like a few cents, then I'll do that. But I kind of like the idea of this being another like savings method. So I prefer having the change, so that way I can do this. And I'm opting to go to the bank and do this whole process because I don't want to, I mean, you can always go to the coin machines. So much easier just to dump it all in there and let it count. They do take a percentage away, and I don't want to take any of my money away from this, so that's why I'm going this route. So yeah, I think it should be pretty easy though. Yeah, to do this. So I'm just gonna go through my change. Again, it's pretty easy. This first lot takes 5. So you just put like 5 in here, 5 pennies. This one takes, I think 5 as well. Actually 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There's another nickel here. Okay, so this one has 5 as well. Then the dimes is 5. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 50 cents. The quarters is 5. So 1, 2. Got a couple quarters over here. Okay, so that's 5. So each of these have 5 of the coins in them. So again, I feel like it's gonna be really easy to organize these instead of like stacking them and piling them and doing all that. So it's just an easy way to make sure everything is correct. So I don't really have to count. You just have to make sure you're putting 5 in each section. So I have no idea how much I have in here. I haven't been keeping track of it or anything. I've just been dumping it in that container. So I can't wait to see how much I have. So I'm saving all this change that I haven't spent. But I have quite a bit to go through. So yeah, I think I'm just going to continue sticking them in. Again, pretty simple. Sticking these in here. And I'm ready to, I think one more. $2.50 on here for the quarters. So I'm going to continue on and fill this in. All right, so here's my progress so far. So I still have quite a bit. I actually have a lot more quarters than I thought I would have. So that's exciting because these add up very quickly. So I already filled up the whole thing with all my change that I have. Well, that can fit in here. So far I have, this is 20, so 20, 30, 34, $35 just in here. And I still have all these. Again, this is a lot of this is quarters. So I'm super excited to see how much this is going to be at the end. I mean, I plan on using this money to put in my envelopes. So yeah, that's the plan for it. Now I'm gonna just take this. Hopefully this is easier than I'm hoping to do. Again, I like this one because it already has the bottom secure. So I'm just going to take this up until here, I believe. Yeah, so it's like 125. Yeah, I think it's to here. Okay, I guess we'll find out. So okay, is it one more? Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay. So it's 8 of these little sections that fills up the top. And I'm just gonna close this off. And I have $10 in quarters. I'm gonna do the next one. Again, super easy. Okay, so 10, or this will be 8 sections in here. Okay, so that's another $10 in here. So yeah, pretty easy to pull them out and to stick them in the rolls. So I'm just gonna continue on finishing these off. These are dimes. I think I might need to get more of these. Okay, so let me see how many quarter ones, because again, I have a lot of quarters. I have 1, 2. This one's just a variety pack. I think I might have enough for the quarters, I'm hoping. Yeah, I think I will. There's like one more of these, so I think I have enough to do the quarters. All right, so the dimes, again, it's gonna be, I think 8 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, 10 of course. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah. So 10 sections in here. Just trying to make sure I put the right amounts into here. Okay, so this one is good. All right, so I'm just gonna continue on rolling all this, and then at the end, I will tell you the grand total of all my change so far. Okay, so I am all done. These are the leftover bits that don't have enough to be wrapped. So I'm not gonna count these in the total because I'm gonna put these back in here actually, and then count it once I get some more the next time I do this. All right, so let's see. I have a bunch of quarters, and these were all $10. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Actually, let me calculate this over here. So 50 in quarters. So that's exciting. That's a good amount. Next is dimes. So I have 3 rolls, which are $5 each. That's 15. Next is nickels. So I have 3 nickels. Actually, this was the one that I didn't have, like, I don't have a lot of nickels. But I have $6 in nickels. And then I got a bunch of pennies, of course. So, yeah, a bunch of pennies. So here I have $1, $2, $3, $4, and $5 in pennies. All right, so I have a total of $76 just in coins. So that's pretty good. I'm going to take that to the bank. And like I said, I'm going to take this money to use in my next cash stuffing. So that's the plan. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Again, I'll have this linked down in the description if you're interested in getting it. But that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, then definitely hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.